Imagine a kitchen that doesn't just cook, it inspires, connects, and quietly transforms the way you live every day. I absolutely adore how this kitchen feels like a calm, modern sanctuary built for slow mornings and spontaneous cooking sessions. The soft green cabinetry and warm oak accents give the space a grounded, organic mood, while the big windows flood the countertops with gentle daylight that makes everything feel lighter and more inviting. Standing by the island, you can almost feel the crisp quartz under your fingertips and hear the quiet hum of the cooktop, the whole room glowing with a relaxed, everyday elegance that just pulls you in. Stepping into this compact L-shaped kitchen feels like discovering a perfectly organized little corner of joy, where every surface seems to have a purpose and a place. The charcoal top cabinets and white uppers create a calm, graphic contrast that feels modern but never cold, and the oak shelf above adds a soft, human warmth that makes the space feel lived in and loved. The natural light from the window traces along the backsplash and countertop, turning an ordinary weekday lunch into something that feels a little more special, the room wrapped in a quiet, clear-headed brightness. This one-wall kitchen surprises you with how much personality it packs into a simple line of cabinets, almost like a bold accessory on the wall of daily life. The rich eggplant purple tones feel confident and cozy at the same time, while the off-white cabinets keep the space feeling airy and open. The window above throws slivers of daylight across the countertop, catching the slim hardware and making the backsplash pattern come alive, so the whole wall feels like a quiet piece of art you can actually cook in. Walking into this U-shaped kitchen feels like stepping into a neatly wrapped box of comfort, where every corner is thoughtfully designed to make you want to linger. The warm walnut lowers and soft limestone uppers create a grounding, earthy palette that feels welcoming, not stiff, while the continuous countertop ties everything together in a smooth, seamless flow. The light from the big window bounces off the quartz and glass, filling the space with a gentle, almost buttery glow that makes even an ordinary evening feel a little more intimate and peaceful. There's something unexpectedly cozy about this galley-style kitchen, even though it's so compact and efficient. The deep navy wall and sandy beige opposite feel like a soft embrace, with the narrow island sitting in the middle like a little island of calm. The natural light from the window at the end stretches down the length of the counters, highlighting the subtle grain of the wood and the smooth texture of the stone, turning what could feel tight into a place that feels snug, focused, and quietly energizing. This corner kitchen feels like a naturally warm extension of the living area, where the island curves around like an open arm inviting you in. The terracotta cabinetry and gray stone countertop give the space a grounded, artisanal mood, while the glass front cabinet adds a bit of sparkle without feeling flashy. The patio doors flood the kitchen with clear daylight that glances off the countertop and floor, making the room feel airy and connected, as if you're cooking in the heart of the home instead of tucked away in a corner. Standing at the dining table, this long open-plan kitchen feels like a quiet, elegant stage for everyday life, where cooking and conversation easily blur together. The matte anthracite gray island and light oak cabinets balance modern sleekness with a soft, natural warmth, and the white quartz countertop seems to glow in the sunlight from the big window. The transparent uppers and minimal shelves add a sense of lightness, while the gentle light gradients on the floor and walls make the space feel calm, spacious, and subtly luxurious the moment you step into it. This compact kitchen surprises you with how bold and characterful it can feel, even in such a small footprint. The deep emerald pantry column and warm beige island create a playful contrast that feels confident but never garish, while the mirror-finished backsplash quietly amplifies the daylight from the side window, making the space feel brighter and more open than it actually is. Standing by the counter, you feel wrapped in a cozy, well-designed bubble of color and texture, where even the smallest details make the room feel tailored just for you. This transitional kitchen feels like a gentle bridge between cozy and modern, where the claytone oak and charcoal island settle into a calm, reassuring rhythm. The big windows on two sides fill the space with soft, diffused light that brushes over the wood grain and the stone, giving the room a grounded, unhurried pace. The vertical cream tiles behind the stove add a quiet focal point, and the shared countertop between cabinet and island ties everything together, so the kitchen doesn't feel like a showpiece but a lived-in, welcoming heart of the home. These spaces show how simple shapes, soft colors, and natural light can turn everyday routines into moments of calm, creativity, and quiet joy.